We all know how great a genius Albert Einstein was. He was such a great genius that he alone was equal to thousands of scientists which we as normal human beings cannot understand. Einstein understood immense things, and theories also made it easy for this entire world. Albert Einstein was a physicist who left the world shocked and troubled by talking about the theory of relativity, and E is equal to mc square and the laws of photoelectric, and because of this, he got a Nobel Prize also, seeing his special thinking power. The world and everyone felt that he had a special brain power and was different from others, and he also knew this. Therefore, he had given instructions that after his death, his body should be burnt to ashes. But then, what Einstein had feared happened. When Einstein died on 18th of April 1955, the doctor who came to the hospital for autopsy to know the death reason took out Einstein's brain because he was curious to know what is there in the brain of the world's genius. Welcome. In the video of Brian Box, the one who stole the brain of Albert Einstein was Dr. Thomson Harvey, who was more curious to study Brian than the punishment that would happen to him. A few days later, when the hospital came to know about this action of Dr. Harvey, he was expelled from the hospital, but after many requests, Dr. Thomas took permission from Einstein's son, Hans Albert, to reveal his father's brain secrets. Want to publish worldwide? It started the day after. Long journey of this brain. Dr. Harvey was just a pathologist who knew how to do post-mortem. He just thought that he would be able to do research on Brian of such great genius. Dr. Harvey had preserved Einstein's brain. Now he took away his second city, Pennsylvania, where he took a lot of brain picks and cut brain into 240 pieces and preserved each piece in a separate jar and hid it in his basement. Related to this topic, Dr. Harvey started having more fights with his wife and he got divorced. After the divorce, he moved to Wichita, where he started working as an engineer in a biological lab. And in his free time, he would study a lot on Einstein's brain. After that, he kept changing different places and jobs and kept roaming around with brain. Then, even after a few years, he could not do any research and his medical license was also revoked. He had to work in a plastic factory, and after that he took a good decision that it would be right to send all the parts of brain to different best neuropathologists of the world to do deep research and study for them. A study was published in 1985. After this, for 28 years, all the scientists worldwide published different studies. It was told that Einstein's brain was quite different from other brains. The biggest difference and purpose was found in the corpus callosum part, and the function of the corpus in the brain is to provide the fastest signals to the brain. And whenever the right brain makes a mistake, it always gives a signal to the left brain and corrects the mistake. The path through which the left and right brain connect, give signals to each other. That part is called the corpus, and Einstein's corpus callosum was much larger than a normally compared mind. Therefore, the connection between his left and right brain was very strong and he could solve and handle very complex problems and uncertain things very easily. Due to the large corpus size, the pattern in Einstein's brain was also different from that of normal people, and due to this, the flow of neurons was very good. Neurons' flow was strong. It means that Einstein's brain is very good and fast and powerful in mathematical solving, and when Einstein's brain was weighed, it came out to be 1230 grams, but that of normal humans is 1400 grams. According to research, he had a thin brain lining, so there were very fast neurons. But the biggest question was still whether Einstein was born with such a condition or whether it was developed. Research revealed that when Einstein was born, he could not speak for 5 years. But others start speaking normally for at least 3 years. He was always lost in his thinking. His memorizing power was very low. Einstein used to fail in every subject, only he topped in matches and science. He had become an expert in maths and physics, had developed great interest. At the age of 26, he published research papers and made the world shocked, and that's why he got Nobel Prize. Einstein's brain changed after his birth because he did not have the answers to his questions. That's why he used to search for their solutions with his own mind. Because of this, his brain get accordingly set and he got used to it, and his extraordinary brain are preserved in America's The Mutter Museum. It has been preserved very safely. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to comment. Related to video, must like and subscribe for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.